Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, or I would say, to the AMAHORO Stadium.
Together with another brother and friend, President of FIFA, Gianni Infantino, the two inspired us to put up a good sporting facility for football like this one. Support Rwanda and other brother African countries, and of course beyond, to raise a kind of football through availing this kind of facility to many countries so that the young people of Africa can have where to develop and exercise the huge talent we have on our continent. In fact, this will lead to more retention of our best talent instead of exporting them all the time. But people will still remain free to go wherever they want to be, but they can also look to home for such retention and development of what they want to do. So, Patrice, and all of you, I want to thank you for this day, a great day for us, for Banda and for football, and we will do even more and try to do better. So now there is no excuse. For our young footballing talent. You have to work smart, and let's be counted among the best on our continent. So I wish you a very good evening and a very happy day. More things are ahead of us now.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for your remarks. Now we have two young talents who would like an autograph from the both of you. Let's clap our hands for the young talents. Yes. Now we're moving to the most exciting part of the event. Right after the picture.
Asuhuza bahesha umugisha we President.
cy'amahoro aho nk'uko perezida wa repubulika yabitwibukije izaba ari ikibuga kizadufasha talents zacu growing